Sanibona abantu bakithi, sanibona abantu base South Africa, sanibona. Ngizizwa ngingcono kakhulu, ngiyabonga kakhulu futhi kubo bonke abazwakalise ukuphatheka kabi ukubona umoya wami wephukile. Ngizele mina bafowethu, ngizele ngazalwa futhi. Njoba ngizele nje nami ngazalwa. Ngiwumuntu onozwelo ngendlela eyisimanga. Uma ngibona into ebuhlungu empilweni yami ngiyaphazamiseka. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bonke abantu ade bengishayela bedlulisa abanye bashare ipost bekhombisa ukuphatheka kabi ngento eyenzakalile yokuthi ngibone izingane zakithi ziyimhambima lapha eAlbert Park, sorry, King Dinuzulu Park. Ingiphazamisile le nto emoyeni, ingiphazamisile le nto emoyeni hayi kancane, ngoba uma ubuka abantu wedlula ngemoto ubabiza ngamaphara akufani nomsubabona. Ngichithe isikhathi singaphezulu kwe-hour lapha. Isigcwele njalo?
Ya, isigcwele niyaphila.
Siyaphila mfowethu. Ngichithe isikhathi singaphezulu kwehora lapha yana. Ela nihlanganise upetrol ulokuza uhlanganise ungitshele kumalini.
Alright, singabala kube 1044 rand.
Hlanganisa ngiswaphe kayi1. Kuzokwenzeka. Ngeke kwenzeka.
Ngoba amaphamba ahlukene
akwenze. Okay, aswaphe.
Alright. Ngoba ikhala yakhe tuna.
Yeah.
Sombole. Satsepa la no satpa. Satsepa. Ngibona umsebenzi emuhle enenzayo lapha.
Nayi insizwe ngoma umsebenzi wethu omuhle esiwenzayo nayo yenza umsebenzi omuhle iyahlonipha lento.
Siyabonga.
Mfoba.
Okamchoko.
Oh. Usebenza nomfowini lapha icingwane.
Ngiyibona icingwane. Ngiyibona impela.
Nakho mfowethu uyogcwalisela kulabo lamashumi abakunike wona emini.
Ngiyabonga.
Silinde beqede la. Yeah. Bafowethu. Ngifisa emva kokubona lento engiyibone namhlanje
1156
uyadula.
It's 1.3
laba balokhu bebhala ukuthi yeah. Laba balokhu bebhala ukuthi I will be killed soon. You need to be very careful, guys. I'm very good-hearted. I love my country. I stand up for my country. I'm big. But you guys who keep writing these things here, you must know that we work with intelligence and we are not intimidating anyone. We work with men and women that work for intelligence. That beside their professional work that they do for the state, but they are also they are also izakhamizi zalapha South Africa. So when we are organizing ourselves as izakhamizi and when they are not at work, ngicela ungicheckela amasondo bafo. Ngicela ungicelela ngicheckela amasondo. When they are not at work, they will be with us because they are us and we are them. We work with police of this country who, when they are not at work, they become warriors. We work with our soldiers who are residents and citizens of this country, who, when they are not at work, they come to these rallies, because we are not pushing anybody's agenda. Asilweli muntu, akekho umuntu osithumile, akekho umuntu esimsebenzelayo, akekho umuntu esovuka kusasa sesithi uyasilida njengoba senza lento le. Asinamsebenzi nomuntu ongayezwa, asinamsebenzi nomuntu ongaboni, asinamsebenzi nomuntu ocabanga ukuthi sikhokhelwe. Uma ngabe sikhokhelwe kulungile, kodwa ukusalayo abantu base South Africa sifuna beme ngandawonye, bephoqa izikhulu zethu ukuthi zenze into eqondile. Silwela lelizwe lelo kungelethu. We are not violating any rights for anyone who is in their country and minding their business. I'm warning all foreigners who are insulting South Africans on social media. I am warning you. It is so easy like that to find someone through this social media thing. Because as you are insulting me, you are sitting at a certain location. It is 21:58 right now. You are in your room. And the location, we can find it while sitting here. And we will know who you are. Kunomfana ucula umaskandi la. Owenza ivideo engithuka waseGoli yiphi ndawo ngiyazi le ndawo wabaneshwa wenza ivideo esemjondolo ethuka mina kanti umakhelwane wakhe ngowakwaNongoma. Sahamba safika kuye sangamkhulumisa safike sabuka nje sabuka sashiya kanjalo. Be very careful of what you say about people. The insult you foreigners are throwing into South African citizens. Some of you are not even here in this country, you are outside this country, but you are putting your brothers and sisters' life in danger. Because if we can't find you, we will find who's next to you. Whoever is next to you or your relative, they will suffer because of your disrespect. So stop this nonsense. We are fighting for our country. We have every right to correct the wrongs in this country. So sicela nisihloniphe because we chose to be men. Sicela amazayizayi namakwerekwere. Sicela besihloniphe because sakukhetha ukuba ngamadoda with all the social ills that are here in our communities, but we still choose to be men. We still choose to be soldiers. We still choose to be the kids of this country and sons and daughters of this country. You ran away. You chose to run away and leave your kids, leave your mom, your friends and everybody. We will never run away. I'm ready to die for this country. I'm ready to kill for this country. So don't test us. Just shut up. Just watch us doing our thing. Because we are not touching you. This propaganda of xenophobia you are pushing and telling your presidents and everybody, you are wasting your time. We are here. We are teaching everyone. There's thousands of Phakelo Mtakathis right now. So you can do whatever you want to do. There is thousands and thousands of Phakelo Mtakathis in this country. And I'm telling you, if kwenzeka besibopha, you must never stop. If kwenzeka besibulala, you must never stop. Don't give them hope that if we die, this is going to stop. If they arrest us, this is going to stop. Never ever do that. This is not about me. It's about the country. Even if I'm dead, the country will still be here. Even if ngafa, lelizwe lizoqhubeka libe khona. Noma ngaboshwa, lelizwe lizoqhubeka libe khona. Ningalokothi. Ningalokothi. Ningabanaki, laba abathukayo ningabanaki. Nakanithina esinikhomba indlela ukuthi akubhekwephi. Sizolungisa izwe, sizobalekelela abaholi. Asizukuxabana nabaholi thina. Mina nje angizukuthuka umuntu, angizukulwa namuntu, angizukusho ukuthi usubani bani uyabheda. I will take my men and go point one building ngithi maphoyisa ngenani la kunama drugs la uma ningawatholanga ama drugs la ngicela nibophe mina anginazi ikhathi zokumashela mahala mina ayiqala ngo2014 lento le and that's why uMandlakazi unje namhlanje that's why uMandlakazi umuhle kanje namhlanje that is evidence yokuthi angifiki nalezi zinto lezi that's why wathi uJacinta mayiqala imarch I was the first man from Nongoma to come and support her because wangifica ngivele kuyinto engiyisebenzayo when I saw her starting that I saw myself in her I saw millions and millions of people all put South Africa first who came long time before ama-march esiwenzayo who came long time oDudula who came long time before ama-march esiwenzayo Tina we support people who will never support us. We support people who talk bad about us behind our back. Tina sinabantu esibabiza ngabaholi who will take the mic and criticize into esiyenzayo when they are doing nothing. The cause is the illegal immigrants and illegal foreigners. So umholi othatha umbhobha khuluma ukuhlukile nalokho nimbuke ningama South Africans. Lo mama lo sebenze office lika president if she can't speak if she doesn't know how to speak about amaZulu she must keep quiet. Even the president must deal with her because ingonyama ayibizelwa noma kuphi ingonyama. Laba bahola bathi akufanele thina senze lento ukhona uHome Affairs ukhona iSouth Africa iyafika yini iyafika yini bobatshela nje umholi okhuluma umbhedo nibomthetho umphuphe nimthethe kusho mina ukuthi ungumphuphe umholi eze kimi akhulume nami ngqo angitshela ukuthi phakela umthakathi yeke ukuthi nokuthi angifuni bahola ababhinqayo mina la siphelile isikhathi manje siphelile isikhathi silungisizwe umholi ongakaboni ukuthi kulungisizwe alibala kunamathela kuma mandate emsangano angasiza umuntu then that leader is not a visionary lo mholi akembulelekile akazi ukuthi fanele kwenziwe njani fanele asilinde umuntu abone ukuthi senzani noma asijoyine ahambe nathi hayi indaba yokusichithela isikhathi asitshela ukuthi khona into okungafanele siyenze khona ngoba kumnandi kuyashayelelwa une cellphone allowance une housing allowance une woza uzohamba la uzobona amaphara bese uyasho ukuthi abantu bokufika bayekwe bazosetshenzwa uHome Affairs uHome Affairs awunayo capacity amaphoyisa awanayo capacity ulokhuza lapha emtateni la custom awunayo capacity. We are the people, we are the capacity, we have the capacity, we will help our departments. Sizoyisiza iminyango kahulumeni sizobasiza abaholeli umholi ophambana nalento esiyenzayo umsangano omholi loyo ababe labantu ambe bekhukhumala ubala lapha ngazuthi umuntu khona into akayenza engakazenze lutho ungayigxeki into ongakazenze lutho kuyo bantu bakithi eSouth Africa asisebenzeleni izwe lethu ngokwethembeka ngokwethi isizathu sokuthi basikhuluma nabantu siqophe noma ngabe abanye bayokubona ngathi ku wrong lokho kodwa isizathu sokuthi masikhuluma nabantu siqophe it's because we are living an honest life. We don't surprise you, we tell you what we are going to do. Uma ngithi ngizoye eHillbrow ngiyaye eHillbrow mangithe ngizoye ePoint ngiyaye ePoint futhi ngeke kuze kuye umuntu ngingekho ngeke kuze kuye umuntu ayotha kuphenywe libhilidi ngingekho ngoba abantu kade baba khona abakaze benze lona babuya ngathasa hey uphakela uyasishaya hey uphakela uyasigijimisa hey uphakela uyasithethisa Fusek hlala ekhaya ngoba mawukhomenta la uthi hlangana Zulu la emafonini uma ngabe sesilapha awusafuni ukubambisana nathi usufuna sizwe ngawe kodwa manje ayikho into okwazi ukuyiqala. Mina ngiyumdidiyeli mina ngiphethe insizwa kuphela umuntu wesifazana usuke ezokikiza asigqizele uma ngabe elapha okuyimina engithe angibe khona futhi anginawo umona anginawo nhlobo umona bahlala abantu besifazane bebiza amamatch la ngihlale ngizoba supporter I'm always there to support but mina ngimele abantu besifazane ngimele insizwa mina ngiyazi ukuthi abantu besifazane bayasithanda nathi siyabathanda kodwa thina sazi ukuthi kwaZulu umuntu uyavikelwa sazi ukuthi ehlala Nkosi umuntu besifazane uyavikelwa akafakwa phambili akwenziwa ngaye ihawu yithi amahawu yithi sithi noma sifile siphenduka idlozi elihle egcekeni senze umfazi aqhubeke akwazi ukukhulisa izingane sengatshelwa ngabantu onethezekile umuntu ohlele beka amasende kwi-couch ebese ezositshela ukuthi asenze kanjani ningazozidakelwa nini ayikho ngepolitiki lento ayizukuba ngepolitiki ayilunge lento lo mama ose-office lika-president okwesibili ebheda nase-Phosphorus wabheda namanje futhi uyaphinda uyabheda asifune ukukhuluma ilimi thina asifune ukukhuluma ilimi zabantu nje thina azikho ilimi zabantu esifuna ukuyikhuluma uma ngabe kwenzekile ngayifunda leyo nto ngayikhuluma kulungile phela kodwa kuyona nje into engihamba ngayo emhlabeni ngithi iyona goal yami ngifuna ukukhuluma zonke izilimi ngizoyenzani leyo nonsense leyo mina ngizoganga nini ayizondi igaba ibambe khona yebo amadoda uyaphileka wayinsizwa thina abantu sibabingelela sivula amawindi ngisho ebusuku hayi lento yena umuntu akhulumelele khuluma esembhedeni thola ichance encane nikezana abantu baseyikhundleni nikana abantu intuthuko nikana abantu intuthuko thina indaba ama-illegal foreigners nama-drugs sizoyisebenza abantu abanika abantu intuthuko nje bevala imlomo kuphela ayizondi igaba ibambe khona.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. This is Uphakela Mthakathi sending a message to bantu baseMzansi. We all know ukuthi Uphakela Mthakathi awuhamba phambili eqosheni illegal foreigners eSouth Africa KZN uhlezi khona kumamatch akasali uhlezi ahamba phambili and right now he's sending a message to people ukuthi abajoin phela nabo eqosheni ma foreigners uyasho nokusho ukuthi uyadivide inkulumo ukuthi kuthiwa bona babhadaliwe ukuthi baqoshe ama-foreigners la South Africa uthi if that's what people believe it's fine believe all infuna ukubelieve but yena akasoze wayekela ukuqosha ama-foreigners and uthi niyohamba nithanza ningathanzi. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.